It's a Saturday. I'm out here on the yard. I have one truck where the driver's seat not staying up. So when I check it out, I noticed that the airbag that's under this seat is leaking. So I just took the airbag out. I'm gonna try to see if I could buy just an airbag put back under there. Hopefully I could do that because I don't want to take that seat out. I don't want to take that seat out right now. If I have to replace the seat, I will. But I should be able to just replace that airbag that go underneath the seat. And I'll show you the bag, see what it look like. And that's a bag that I took off. It kind of look like the cab bags on some truck, but it's not exactly like it. It's not exactly the same bag, but it kind of look like it. One of those small bags at the back of the at the back of the cab. I just came back from Freightliner with an airbag. They only had one in stock, so I got lucky and I got one. That's a part number 4. It's the airbag that go under the Easy Rider seat. And the price on it was $88. And they only had one in stock. Look like it's not something that they keep a lot of it on hand. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in. There's an ear filling that go to the top of it that you plug the ear line into. This is the seat we're working on, and I use this to hold the seat up. I'll take the bag out and you're gonna hold it up for me, put the new bag in there. And this is where the bags sit. And if you look under here, it's a hole right here, and that's where the top of the bag come up. The little stud come up for you to put the nut on it. I got the new bag in under the seat. The driver said the seat wouldn't stay up. So like you bring the seat up like this, it'll just come back down on its own right away. So I put the new airbag in. The seat's staying up. It's been about 5 hours since I replaced it and the seat's still staying up. Wherever you stop it, it stay there. It wasn't doing that before. And this bag, what I noticed with this bag, where it sit on this base right here, it have a hole in it. And the bottom part also have a hole with threads in it, but it didn't have a screw at the bottom. So what happened is the bag slid off, and that's how the bag got damaged. So this one I put a screw in it, that way it don't happen again. And I'll show you the old bag I'm talking about. This is the old bag. To the bottom with that hole, you could put a bolt in there. So that's what I did. Because this one didn't have one in there. And even when you look in there, you could see it never had one in there. One never been in there. So I'm not sure if it's supposed to be in there or not, but I just put it in there to keep it in place. And when I buy the bag, it come with an ear fitting that go in the top, so you connect the ear line to it, but it didn't come with a screw that go under here. So obviously it's not something they're selling with.